Hello dear students. So today we will study subject computer. So you all are ready? Yes. Open your computer book if you are having with you. Just open it now. Yes. First I would like to explain you here that what is a computer. Have you seen the computer? Most of you have seen the computer. Yes. When you just remember just computer comes in your mind, then what you imagine? Just what you see there? Screen, monitor, the box, CPU, and just you use the keyboard for typing, that one keyboard, and for click the icons and open the file we use mouse, right? So it's there in your memory. What is a computer? Yes. So see here. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. It is what? It's an electronic device, right? What is electronic device? Device that work with the help of electricity, right? Suppose your refrigerator at your home, it works with electricity. Television works with electricity. When we just put switch on, then it start working. Microwave, when we switch on, it start working. So similarly, our computer system works with the help of electricity. When we switch on, then our computer system gets on. Alright, so if the question is there, what is a computer? And the correct answer will be, computer is an electronic device. It works with electricity, alright? It's an electronic device. So, if it is asked, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. Spelling of computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. I-S is A-N-N, electronic, E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic device, D-E-V-I-C-E, device. And what is the quality of this device? This device works very fast and accurate. The computer device works very fast and gives the answer accurate. It works very fast. It means when we work on computer, it gives quick answer, right? If you want to add 2 plus 2 plus 2, if you count in your finger, you draw with the lines. But in system, you just feed 2 plus 2 plus 2 and equal to that answer will come. That will be the 6. Okay. So immediate the answer will come. That's why it works. It's called that computer system works very fast and accurate. It means it gives the correct answer. Alright. There is no confusion with the answers of the given by the computer system. The system gives the answer of your any question. If you are typing there and getting the answer, that answer is accurate and very fast. Alright. So here you can see in this chapter also some parts of the computers are given here. So once again we go through with the parts of the computer. Alright. Suppose we are having in our body some different parts like our eyes, nose, hands, neck, fingers, stomach, leg, foot. So the all parts of our body, they work different. Alright, with eyes we can see, with the hands we can write, hold the things, with the legs we can stand, move. Similarly, our computer system also has different parts. Parts of a computer we study again here. Like our body, our computer system also had some parts. Alright. So, what are the parts of the computer? First one is you can see here, this one is called monitor. The screen is called monitor. What do we call it? Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Spelling of monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. And this box is known as CPU, Central Processing Unit. This one is the main part of the computer system. This one is what? CPU. It is called the brain of a computer. Like our body, if our brain works, the whole body works smoothly, correctly. But similarly here in the computer system, that if the CPU works correctly, the whole system will work the same way. Alright, if the CPU is not working, the system is dead. It seems like dead. Okay, so CPU has the main role in the computer system. Okay, now here you can see, you have seen at your homes also, in the school computer lab also, in your smart class also, that this picture is what? It's showing what? That one is the keyboard. That one is the keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board. I'm just speaking the spellings and you also have to repeat with me. Okay? K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board. Keyboard. With the help of the keyboard, we can type, we can just draw, and whatever we want to do through the computer system, we use that to input here. We use that, this input device, that one is called keyboard. And then after, you can see here, this one is the mouse. Mouse we use to click the icons, to click that page we want to go where on the computer system. Alright, it also has a big role. Spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. This mouse of computer system, it's not like of that insect mouse. No, this one is the computer system's mouse. Alright. So, with the help of the mouse, we can click that on the system where we want to go. Alright. So, can see here the parts of the computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. And what is this? This one is the speakers. These are the speakers. With the help of the speakers, we can just hear the sound. Alright. Like you can watch the movies, the rhymes, and that your any audible picture you want to see there. So with the help of a speaker, we can listen, we can hear. Alright. So these are called speakers. Speakers are also necessary in a computer system, just because of with the help of that we can hear the sound. It's running on the monitor. We can hear the sound with the help of the speakers. Spelling of speakers, S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. Spelling of speakers, S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S. Speakers. So, how many parts of the computer we studied here? These are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Alright. So what you have to do, you have to just keep in your memory the parts of the computer system. These are the main parts of the computer system: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speakers. And you have to just repeat with me. Spelling of monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Speak now. Monitor. Monitor. On the monitor you can see that whatever you want to see through the help of the keyboard and mouse, you will click here, can see your favorite things, alright, like movies, the rhymes and the picture, your drawing, okay, your writing pattern, you can see there, alright. Now this one is the CPU, and the spelling of CPU, CPU. This one you have to just keep in your memory. This is the spelling of CPU, Central Processing Unit, but you have to learn only the short form CPU, alright. The class prep students, you will have to learn the CPU. And now next is the speakers. With the help of the speakers we can hear the sound of whatever is running on the screen. With the help of the speaker we can hear the sound. Speaker spelling S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S, speakers. Now this one is called the keyboard. Spelling of keyboard, speak with me, K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. Spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Alright. Here in big size you can see the pictures of these parts of computer. Monitor, CPU, it's called the brain of the computer. Keyboard, mouse. And the features of the computer, I would like to tell you here, it works in very high speed and gives the answer accurate, and the memory is strong. If you are feeding any your like picture, your rhymes or any stories there in the computer system, you can see whenever you want, after many months, after many years also, if nobody is that there to delete. So it is there, the memory of the computer system is very strong, alright. So just learn the parts of the computer and its spellings also, and tell your parents, grandparents, whenever you see the parts of the computer, you can tell someone, you can tell everybody, alright. Thank you.